Good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we will discuss about the power circuit. And nandito yung given problem. Make a wiring diagram of 5 lamps in series circuit and mark each lamp 5 watts, 8 watts, 10 watts, 15 watts and 20 watts with a supply of 220 volts line to ground. Number 2 problem is solve the total power. Problem 3, solve the total current. Number 4, solve for voltage drop in each lamp. Draw diagram. This is a supply 220 volts. This is line 1 circuit breaker going to switch, then connected to lamp 5, connected to lamp 4, connected to lamp 3, connected to lamp 2, connected to lamp 1, then connected to circuit breaker line ground terminal. Solve the total power. Given power 1 is 5 watts, power 2 is 8 watts, power 3 is 10 watts, power 4 is 15 watts, power 5 is 20 watts. Solving. Total power is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 plus P5. P1 is 5 watts plus P2 is 8 watts plus P3 is 10 watts plus P4 is 15 watts plus P5 is 20 watts. The total power is equal to 58 watts. Solve the total current. Given total voltage is 220 volts, total power is 58 watts, total current is unknown. Formula for power: P is equal to voltage times current. Legend: P is stands for power, units is watts. E stands for voltage, units is volts. I is current, units is amperes. Solve. I is equal to P over E. Ang power natin is 58 watts over 220 volts. Yung voltage. Amperes is equal to 0.264 amperes. Solve for voltage drop. Voltage drop 1 is equal to P1 over I1 is equal to 5 watts over 0.264 amperes is equal to 18.94 volts. Voltage 2 drop. Voltage drop 2 is P2 over I2. 8 watts over 0.264 amperes is equal to 30.3 volts. Voltage drop 3 is equal to P3 over I3. 10 watts over 0.64 amperes. Yung result niya sa volts is 37.88 volts. Voltage drop 4, P4 over I4 is equal to 15 watts over 0.264 amperes. Yung total voltage drop 4 is equal to 56.82 volts. Voltage drop 5 is equal to P5 over I5 is equal to 20 watts over 0.64 amperes is equal to 75.76 volts. solve for total voltage is equal to voltage 1 plus voltage 2 plus voltage 3 plus voltage 4 plus voltage 5 is equal to 18.94 voltage 1 plus 30.3 voltage 2 plus 37.88 voltage 3, 56.82 volts voltage 4 plus 75.76 volts voltage 5 is equal to 219.7 volt. Round off is equal to total voltage is 220 volts. Here is the Bible verse of the day. Romans 10:17. So then faith cometh by hearing, and hearing by the word of God. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.